Okay, so let's keep going with our questions. 38 says, a recipe for cookies requires 2/3 cup of butter. Rama wants to make 3/4 of the recipe. How many cups of butter should Rama use to make the cookies? Okay, so this is really pretty easy. It just, you're just gonna make it, you're just gonna think it's hard when it's really not. So she needs 2/3 cup of 3/4. This is actually pretty easy. 2 times 3 is, well, that would actually cross out. That would actually cross out. Answer is 1/2. Yeah, it's really that easy. Don't miss that. Okay, a robot's height is 1 meter 20 centimeters. How tall is the robot in millimeters? Okay, so you have 3 different sets of measurement going on here. My suggestion is to just get 2 different sets. So I'm going to change this meter to centimeters. And I'm going to look on my formula chart. And on my formula chart, I know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So if I have 1 meter 20 centimeters, I actually have 120 centimeters. And I'm trying to get to millimeters. Okay? Everybody remember King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. If you're not in my class, you might say something other than me, but in my class, it's King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. And we know that this U means meters, liters, and grams. Okay, so you're going to start, no decimal inside, it's on the right. So that becomes 120 decimal. You're trying to go from centimeters to millimeters. You're going to move it 1 to the right. So the answer is 1,200 millimeters. And almost everybody got that right last year. 78% of the kids got that right last year. So this one's one of those that's pretty easy that I call a freebie. Don't miss that, okay? That's one of the ones that will help you get to commended, that will help you get to that passing point. Those are free, okay? Don't miss those free ones. Aiden asked a group of students to choose their favorite type of music from the choices rock, hip hop, and country. The results of the survey are shown in the graph. Okay, they love to ask you questions with the graph. Based on a graph, how many students in the class of 360 would be expected to choose rock or hip hop? Okay, so the first thing that you're going to have to do, this is a proportion. This is a WKU. Okay, what are you comparing? You're comparing total students and rock and hip hop. Okay, so look at the graph. How many kids chose rock? 20. How many kids chose hip hop? Oh no, 40. So 20 plus 40 is 60. But how many total students did they ask? Well, the way that you're going to figure this out, you're going to have to add all of these students up. 20 plus 40 plus 30, what is that? 40, 70, 90. Okay, so you've already kind of done a whole bunch of math right there, right? Okay, so 60 and 90, that is the number of kids who chose that. So it's really 6 out of 9, which you could simplify that, but that might confuse some of you, so I'm not going to do that. So I have 360 students there. What did I do to this 90 to get 360? Times 4. What I do to the bottom, you do to the top, 60 times 4, 240 students. I will have you know that 28% of them got that right. The most picked question was 60, was right here, because they just added this and got this. but didn't read that we didn't care about this number of students. We only cared about 360 students. Okay, next question. Oh, these are so easy. Freebie. Banisha graphed point G on the coordinate grid. She will graph point H at a location 5 units away from point G. Okay, so right here, this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. Okay, there's a couple ways you could do this. You could just graph points 5 away from all of this, or you could just graph right here and then just count down. So I'm just going to graph these points and then count. Okay, I'll have you know almost everybody got this right last year. Okay, so let's go -4, 5. So start here and go -4 and then go over to +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, first of all, that is, wait. Oh, stop. Ignore me on that one. Erase that. -4, 5. Go over 4, up 5. Is that 5 points from there? No. Go over 9, up 8. Now count. 1, 2, no, that's way more. And actually, 35% of the people picked that. I don't really know why they did that. Over 1, up 3. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking that's my answer choice. And then -4, -1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that was close. That was only 4 spots. So the correct answer is C. This is also a freebie. Okay, a restaurant offered cooking classes. Oh, we've done this problem before. A restaurant offered cooking classes on 24 of the 30 days of November. What decimal equivalent to the fraction of November, to the fraction of days in November that classes were offered at the restaurant? So you have 24 over 30. Okay. I don't think you can simplify that in order to get to 100. So just divide. 24 divided by 30. Top in, bottom out. Write it the way you say it. 24. When you say divided by, draw the line. 30. This line right here means divided by. Okay, can 30 go into 24? No. Put a 0. Can 30 go into 240? Yes. How many times? 8. So the decimal equivalent is 0.8 or 0.08. Now, if you're doing the bubble, here's a decimal. This would be, no, 0.80. This would be 8 here, 0 here. Okay, so then you would come down here and do 8, 0. Okay, and if you want to, you can do the positive. Okay, I don't know if that was 5 problems or not, but I'm going to stop it.